In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Track123 Shopify app. We'll guide you through this process step by step so you can easily get this app up and running on your Shopify store. Now, let's begin. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Shopify admin panel. Once you've logged into your Shopify account, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find a variety of options like Home, Orders, Products, and so forth. For today's task, your focus needs to be on the Apps option. This is your gateway to accessing a plethora of applications designed to enhance the functionality of your online store. So go ahead and click on Apps. With the App section now open, it's time to locate Track123. You'll notice there's a search feature available. It's a handy tool for quickly finding any app you need. Click on the search bar and type in Track123. This will bring up the app listing, allowing you to see what's available for installation. If you're having trouble finding it, make sure there are no typos or spelling errors in your search query, as this can sometimes prevent the app from appearing. Once you've found Track123 in the search results, it's time to learn a bit more about it and proceed with the installation. Click on the app's name to be directed to its specific app page. Here, you'll find detailed information about the app's features, benefits, and perhaps some reviews from other users. This is a great opportunity to get a better sense of what Track123 can do for you and your business. If you feel confident about installing the app, look for the Install button on this app page. Clicking this will start the installation process. Shopify will guide you through it with clear, on-screen instructions, making this step straightforward. Follow these prompts, ensuring that you give the necessary permissions the app might request. It's important to review these permissions so you understand what data the app will have access to and why. After the installation is complete, Track123 will typically initiate its setup process. This can include steps like entering additional details, configuring settings according to your business needs, or simply customizing the app's functions to better align with your store's workflow. Don't rush through these steps. Proper configuration ensures the app performs optimally, enhancing the efficiency of your store's operations. And there you have it. With Track123 now installed and set up in your Shopify store, you're ready to enjoy the new functionalities it brings. Now you can explore its features and see how they integrate seamlessly with your store's system, helping you manage and track orders more effectively. If you encounter any issues, remember, there's always support available, either from Shopify or directly from the app's developers. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been valuable in enhancing your Shopify experience.